in our partnership and the relationship that we have with the Drua, or more importantly with Counter Ruck Limited. The Trustees of Fiji Rugby are very proud of what Counter Ruck and the Drua has achieved for rugby in Fiji, and I think the whole country is behind it, as we see. But this could not have been evidenced more than the number of your men's players who were part of our successful World Cup campaign this year. And this showed very much the success of the Drua being a pathway for our men, especially to the national men's team, and being the Flying Fijians. What I don't know, don't believe you may know, is how much help was given by all of Mark's team and the Drua's management team to the provision of their first-class high-performance gym, and in ensuring that our team was ready before they left Fiji for France and to playing England and then the World Cup. And also for sharing their technical officials to assist Mark, and we had a number of Drua management team technical officials on our World Cup team. So I'm taking this opportunity actually to issue a formal thank you to Mark and to everybody in your team on what you did and provided to us for our National Men's World Cup team. So the Trustees of Fiji Rugby are very proud of our relationship that started with Counter Ruck, and I'd like to point out, as major shareholders of the Drua, we're pretty protective and grateful for that investment actually, because it's showing very good in our books. And this is now seen as our fastest growing asset for Fiji Rugby. So again, we are grateful. But then you're not here about that today. And so today's all about the next best big step in our partnership by including and supporting our Fiji Rugby women into the Counter Ruck family. The success the men have achieved is now an opportunity for our women, and we acknowledge that. And we are hoping that the women will embark on the same successful pathway as our men have with the. And now Fijiana Drua will be part of that Counter Ruck success story and Counter Ruck management. This believe we will help achieve success for our future Fijiana 15s national team. So that's about all I'd like to say on it at this time. I'll leave Alana to talk more on the ins and outs on it.
Yeah, sure.
But Mark, thank you for everything.
No, thank you, Ben.